everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today in this video we will discuss about the sales job or business development job role. This video is for all the candidates who are looking for business development job role. So if you are one of that, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Let's jump into our first job opening, but before that, do comment your educational qualification with the job role you are looking for. First job is from the company Mark U Equity. Location is remote, that is work from home. Requirement for this business development role are prior investment banking, investment analyst experience is preferred. Knowledge or prior experience with startup fundraising is a distinct advantage. We are a remote team, so you can work from wherever you like. You don't have to attend office on a day-to-day basis. You should own a laptop. Excellent written and spoken English required. We shall provide a 2-week training session once you join in. If you are eligible for this, click on the Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second job is from the company AMB Crypto. Location is remote, that is work from home. This is a fully remote position for the sales team in which you will work as a lead generator, providing active leads to support the sales managers. Requirements for this role are 0 to 1 year of experience in lead generation, understanding of general sales cycle, good command on the English language, ability to persuade and upsell packages, a bachelor's or master's degree in commerce or management. So before you apply, you know that this is a full-time remote job. Timings for this role are 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Working days are Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, and CTC is 3 to 4 LPA. If you are eligible for this, click on the apply button. Then this Google form will open. Fill this form and then click on the submit application button and submit it. Third job is from the company Viansh Insurance Brokers. Role is business development and the location is remote, that is work from home. Required qualifications for this role are any graduate with 2 years of experience. If you are eligible for this, click on the Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And also share your resume to this email ID shreya.kanodia@vianshinsurance.com. Fourth job is from the company LBS, Lotus Business Solutions. Location is remote, which is work from home. Requirements for this role are experience and working knowledge of CRM systems, strong written, verbal and interpersonal communication skills, good excellent experience in handling H&I clients or customers, should have a positive attitude, passion for sales and should be confident to accept new challenges. Bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in business. If you are eligible for this, click on the Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fifth and last job for today is from the company Turnip Innovations. Location is remote, that is work from home. Ideal candidate profile is passion for the field of sales and marketing, aspiration to be a greater marketer, aptitude for internet research, does not hesitate to pick up phone and talk to people, empathetic view towards clients and creating value, a positive outlook, has ability to learn and iterate fast, clear written and oral communication skills, a recent graduate, 2020 to 2023. Salary is 20,000 per month plus yearly bonus up to 20,000. If you are eligible for this, click on the Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description for all the job openings. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates, चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.